Hello students, today's topic is oxidation and reduction reactions of aldehyde and ketone. So the first reaction is oxidation of aldehyde. Oxidation of aldehyde and ketone by dilute HNO3 KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7. KNO3 means nitric acid, KMnO4 means potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. Okay. Aldehyde are oxidized to corresponding carboxylic acid by oxidant such as dilute nitric acid, means HNO3, potassium permanganate, and sodium or potassium dichromate. In acidic medium. Aldehyde are oxidized to corresponding carboxylic acid by oxidants such as dilute nitric acid, potassium permanganate and sodium or potassium dichromate. So the general reaction is RC-double-bond-OH. It is aldehyde. Okay. काय करायचं आपल्याला ऑक्सिडेशन करायचंय. मग कुठला ऑक्सिडंट यूज करणार आहे आपण K2Cr2O7 in presence of dilute H2SO4. Okay. Then formation of carboxylic acid. Okay. It is very simple. Aldehyde is oxidized to carboxylic acid by using K2Cr2O7. Ketone resist oxidation. Ketone resist oxidation due to strong COC bond, but they are oxidized by strong oxidizing agent. They are oxidized by strong oxidizing agent such as CrO3, alkaline KMnO4, alkaline KMNO4 or hot concentrated HNO3 means nitric acid to a mixture of carboxylic acids having less number of carbon atom than the starting ketone. Thus oxidation of ketone is accompanied by breaking carbon single bond. आता कीटोनचं ऑक्सिडेशन होताना जो मेन आपला असतो रिएक्टंट त्याचा कन्वर्जन प्रोडक्ट मध्ये होताना लेस दॅन 1 कार्बन म्हणजे एक कार्बन कमी होते. एक्झाम्पल बघू आपण. कुठलं एक्झाम्पल आहे कीटोन R C double bond O R dash. It is ketone. General formula of ketone is oxidized to CrO3 and form RCOOH plus R dash COOH. Carboxylic, 2 molecule of carboxylic acid. Okay. The example of this acetone. What is the formula of acetone? CH3 C double bond O CH3. It is the formula of acetone. Okay. Is oxidized by using CrO3 and form CH3 COOH plus CH3 COOH, 2 molecule of acetic acid. Okay. The one more example is butane 2-ONE. CH3 C double bond O C2H5. Butane 2-ONE is oxidized by using CrO3 and form CH3 COOH plus C2H5 COOH. It is ethanoic acid. And it is propanoic acid. ओके. आता हे प्रोडक्ट कसे फॉर्म होता है. जो ब्यूटेन 2-ONE आहे CH3CO C2H5 फक्त CH3 घेऊन C डबल बॉन्ड O OH जोडायचं आणि C2H5 C डबल बॉन्ड O OH जोडायचं. इट इज व्हेरी सिंपल. The next reaction is Clemenson's reduction. It is very important reaction. What is mean by Clemenson's reduction, or explain Clemenson's reduction. असा क्वेश्चन एक्झामला येऊ शकतो. सो व्हॉट इज मीन बाय क्लेमेन्सन्स रिडक्शन और एक्सप्लेन क्लेमेन्सन्स रिडक्शन. म्हणजे क्लेमेन्सन्स रिडक्शन म्हणजे काय तर बघा, द कार्बोनिल ग्रुप C double bond O on reduction with zinc amalgam ZnHG means zinc amalgam in concentrated hydrochloric acid. Concentrated hydrochloric acid HCl is converted into methylene group. CH2 group. In Clemenson's reduction, the carbonyl group on reduction with zinc amalgam in concentrated hydrochloric acid is converted into methylene group. म्हणजे कार्बोनिल ग्रुपचं कन्वर्जन कशात होत आहे, मिथिलीन ग्रुपमध्ये. आता ते रिॲक्शन दाखवू आपण. C double bond O means carbonyl group in aldehyde or ketone. In aldehyde or ketone is react with zinc amalgam in presence of concentrated HCl form methylene group plus water molecule. Okay, this is methylene group. Aldehyde, next point, aldehyde and ketone on reduction with zinc amalgam in concentrated hydrochloric acid forms corresponding alkane. This reaction is called Clemenson's reduction. Very simple reaction. First step, the carbonyl group is converted into methylene group. Then aldehyde and ketone on reduction with zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl forms corresponding alkane. This reaction is known as Clemenson's reduction. General reaction बघू आपण. R C C double bond O R dash. It is the formula of ketone is react with zinc amalgam in presence of concentrated HCl to form RCH2 R dash. काय झालंय, फक्त हे कार्बोनिल ग्रुपचं कन्वर्जन CH2 ग्रुपमध्ये झालंय आणि काय फॉर्मेशन झालंय, अल्केन. ओके. एक्झाम्पल फर्स्ट acetaldehyde on reduction with zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl forms इथेन. बघा, ॲसिटाल्डिहाइडचं रिडक्शन होत आहे इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ झिंक अमाल्गम आणि काय फॉर्म होतं, इथेन फॉर्म होत आहे. मग आता फॉर्म्युला ऑफ ॲसिटाल्डिहाइड CH3C डबल बॉन्ड OH. ॲसिटाल्डिहाइड 4 हायड्रोजन in presence of zinc amalgam concentrated HCl then form CH3. This carbonyl group is converted into CH2 group and this H means CH3 ethane. Okay, plus water molecule H2O. The second example is acetone on reduction with zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl forms propane. First example is acetaldehyde on reduction with zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl forms ethane. काय आपलं एक्झाम्पल, acetaldehyde on reduction with zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl forms ethane. What is the formula of acetaldehyde? CH3C double bond OH. Acetaldehyde on reduction with zinc amalgam in presence of concentrated HCl then forms ethane. CH3 as it is, carbonyl group is converted into CH2 group and CH2 and this H, CH3, ethane. Okay. The second example is acetone on reduction with zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl form propane. What is the formula of acetone? CH3 C double bond O CH3 acetone plus 4 hydrogen in presence of ZnHg means zinc amalgam in presence of concentrated HCl, then form प्रोपेन. तर प्रोपेन कसा फॉर्म होत आहे, CH3 ॲज इट इज राहील, CH2 जो आहे सॉरी C++O कार्बोनिल ग्रुपचं कन्व्हर्जन कशात होईल, CH2 ग्रुपमध्ये आणि CH3 ॲज इट इज प्लस वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल. द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज प्रोपेन. ओके, वन मोर एक्झाम्पल. प्रोपॅनल on reduction with zinc amalgam in presence of concentrated HCl forms propane. Third example, propanol on reduction with zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl forms propane. What is the formula of propanol? CH3 CH2 C++O H. Propanol 1 2 3 carbon and aldehyde group. Aldehyde group means पॅरेंट अल्केनचा ई रिप्लेस करून आपण काय लिहितो, AL लिहितो. ओके, प्रोपॅनल प्लस 4 हायड्रोजन in presence of zinc amalgam with concentrated HCl, heating take place, then form CH3 CH2. Carbonyl group is converted into CH2 group and this H means CH3 propane and byproduct is water molecule. Okay, it is very simple reaction. In Clemenson's reaction, the carbonyl group is converted into CH2 group and forms alkane. Thank you.